Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
WhatsApp Business Platform for Developers, Lecture 8. In this lecture, we will learn about WhatsApp Business API Best Practices, Introduction, designing user-friendly and engaging WhatsApp experiences, adhering to WhatsApp Business API policies and guidelines, handling user consent and opt-ins, implementing message rate limits and quality control. Conclusion. Introduction. Welcome to our presentation on WhatsApp Business API Best Practices. In today's fast-paced digital world, businesses need to adapt to new technologies and communication channels to stay ahead. WhatsApp Business API provides a unique opportunity for businesses to connect with their customers in a more personal and engaging way. However, with great power comes great responsibility. It's important for businesses to understand and adhere to best practices when using WhatsApp Business API to ensure a positive user experience while also protecting user privacy and complying with regulations. In this presentation, we will discuss some of these best practices and provide examples of how they can be implemented. Designing user-friendly and engaging WhatsApp experiences. When designing WhatsApp experiences for your customers, it is important to keep in mind that they should be user-friendly and engaging. This means using clear and concise language that is easy to understand, incorporating multimedia content, such as images and videos to enhance the messaging experience, and personalizing messages to make them feel more relevant and personalized to the recipient. Using best practices like these can have a significant impact on the success of your WhatsApp campaigns. By making your messages more user-friendly and engaging, you can increase engagement rates and build stronger relationships with your customers. Adhering to WhatsApp Business API policies and guidelines. Adhering to WhatsApp Business API policies and guidelines is crucial for building a successful business on the platform. Violating these policies can lead to account suspension or even termination, which can be detrimental to your business. To avoid such consequences, it is important to obtain user consent before sending any messages and to follow data privacy regulations. This means being transparent about how user data will be used and providing users with options to control their data. One best practice for obtaining user consent is to use clear and concise language in your opt-in messages. Additionally, it is important to honor user preferences and provide opt-out options if they no longer wish to receive messages from your business. By adhering to these policies and guidelines, you can build trust with your audience and create a positive reputation for your business on WhatsApp. Handling user consent and opt-ins. Handling user consent and opt-ins is a critical aspect of WhatsApp Business API best practices. It is essential to use clear and concise language while requesting user consent and providing opt-in options. Honoring user preferences is equally important, as it helps build trust and credibility with your audience. One of the best practices for handling user consent and opt-ins is to provide users with a clear understanding of what they are opting into. This can be achieved by using simple language and avoiding jargon or technical terms. Providing opt-in options that allow users to control the frequency and type of messages they receive is also an effective way to build trust and increase engagement. Implementing message rate limits and quality control. One of the most important aspects of using WhatsApp Business API is implementing message rate limits and quality control. This ensures that your business is sending messages at an appropriate frequency and that the quality of those messages meets expectations of your users. Setting message frequency limits is crucial to avoid overwhelming your users with too many messages. It's also important to monitor message quality to ensure that your messages are clear, concise, and relevant to your users. Finally, providing timely responses to user inquiries is essential for maintaining a positive user experience. Conclusion. In conclusion, Adhering to WhatsApp Business API best practices is crucial for businesses seeking to maximize their effectiveness and provide a positive user experience on the platform. Here are the key takeaways. 1. Optimize for user experience. Businesses should prioritize creating seamless and meaningful interactions with customers on WhatsApp. This includes providing timely and relevant information, using concise and clear language, and respecting user preferences. 2. Respect privacy and data protection. Safeguarding user data and respecting their privacy is paramount. Businesses must comply with applicable data protection regulations and ensure that user information is securely handled and stored. 3. Leverage automation effectively. Automation can enhance efficiency and scale operations, but it should be used judiciously. Businesses should strike a balance between automated responses and human interaction, ensuring that customers receive personalized attention when needed. 4. Offer valuable content. Businesses should focus on delivering valuable and engaging content to their customers through WhatsApp. This can include product updates, offers, customer support, and relevant information that aligns with user preferences. 5. Provide clear opt-in and opt-out mechanisms. It is important to give users the ability to control their interactions with businesses. Clear opt-in and opt-out mechanisms should be provided, allowing users to manage their subscriptions and preferences easily. 6. Monitor and analyze performance. Regularly monitor and analyze key metrics to assess the effectiveness of your WhatsApp Business API implementation. This data can provide insights into customer engagement, response times, and overall performance, enabling businesses to make informed decisions and improvements. 7. Stay updated with WhatsApp guidelines and updates. WhatsApp regularly updates its guidelines and features. Businesses should stay informed about these changes and ensure compliance with the latest policies and requirements to maintain a smooth and uninterrupted service. By following these best practices, businesses can enhance their customer communication, build trust, and drive better results on WhatsApp Business API.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.